Turns out even God makes some bad investments now and then. Eli Regalado, the online pastor from Colorado, and his wife Kaitlyn, allegedly pulled off one of the holiest scams, raking in millions through divine investments and living it up on those heavenly funds. This so-called man of God allegedly conned over 300 people out of $3.2 million through their cryptocurrency, INDXcoin. The couple marketed the coin primarily to fellow Christians, sweetening the deal with promises of blessings and abundance straight from the Lord. Yup, you read that right. God, according to Regalado, was personally backing their crypto venture. The Regalados' pitch was simple: invest in this God-sent crypto, INDXcoin, and enjoy a heavenly transfer of wealth. They even set up the Kingdom Wealth Exchange, their platform to promote this illiquid and practically worthless currency. And while their devout investors were praying for profits, Eli and Kaitlyn were allegedly busy living it up, dropping tens of thousands on luxury goods, a Range Rover, and even some questionable home renovations that Regalado claims were all part of God's master plan. But as the SEC closed in, Eli doubled down on his divine excuse. He admitted to blowing a chunk of the money on personal luxuries, but don't worry, it's all part of God's plan, and a miracle is just around the corner, folks. At this point, you almost expect him to claim Jesus was his co-pilot when he bought the Range Rover, with over $1.3 million funneled into their personal expenses and a lawsuit looming. Regalado is still holding out for that heavenly financial miracle, but let's be real, the only miracle his followers want now is their money back.